we're not going to talk about how mommy has to do what she can to make everybody happy. Hubby likes pecans. Rizzy likes M&M. I already made a batch, which is over there. And regular chocolate chip for Anaya and myself. I like pecans too. I actually could eat all of them. It ain't that serious. But Rizzy can't have nuts. But hubby do like pecans. So, yeah, this is what your girl is up doing early morning on a Saturday. And, those cookies, if y'all was on Instagram, look at my dough done flinged all over the place when I was trying to mix the cookies. But yeah, those cookies, it's only 3 left. So I am making 7 batches and I'm going to be putting this in the refrigerator, guys, so that way they can scoop out what they want. So I'm making a batch of this, a batch of that, a batch of this, and then the rest of each of the doughs will go in the refrigerator with a label on them so they'll know which ones they are, and they can scoop out whichever cookie they desire to eat at a later date. But when they wake up this morning, 3 will be done. I've been in here jamming to my music. I was listening to Usher and Beyonce in this club, I think it is. Yeah, and I'm just relaxing. Just wanted to shoot the breeze with you guys. And I will be putting up a pamper video, which you probably will see before this, because I probably don't post this till later, or I don't know. I'll try to post it today as well. But yes, it will be a pamper video going up shortly, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably put that up a little bit later today. But yes, a frugal pamper video, so stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys are having an awesome morning. Y'all, literally, I used all my chocolate chips. They did not have chocolate chunks. I have not been able to find chocolate chunks like I used to, so you can't go wrong with Ghirardelli regular chocolate. Rizzy doesn't like semi-sweet, so I got the milk chocolate M&Ms. Hopefully that'll... But I think it was because I was using all these semi-sweet. And I don't know. We'll see. I love semi-sweet. I don't like milk chocolate. It's too sweet for me. So if the cookie is already sweet, then it gives this a little touch of, you know, not too sweet. But yeah, guys, I love you guys. And if you guys are joining me for the cruise, actually today is the last day. Actually, no, today is not the last day to sign up, but if you are interested, you can definitely email me at CPR and I'll give you information if you are still interested in going to the cruise. And for the ladies who did reach out, check your inboxes, because I will, I had responded to you, so you can get back to me and we can go from there. I'm so excited about this cruise. I got to get this body right, but cooking this stuff ain't gonna do it. But you know what? Moderation, right, ladies? Moderation. But yeah, stay tuned for the pamper video later on today. And later, gators. Let me get these cookies in this oven. It is like 9:14. I've been up since 7 something. Not cooking. I didn't start baking till like 8 something. But yep, that's what your girl is doing. All right, y'all. Bye.